magte-tennis kami today.
Hi guys. Time check. 6:27. Sabi nila 6 daw dapat nasa Lampuna.
Good morning. Passion.
Bagay pa naman sa akin.
Wala natin. May tayo. Hi guys! Okay. Dito na kami sa Athletic Bowl parking. So this is a basement parking. So malawak naman siya. Pay parking na.
Sponsored by Absolute.
Weird. Wala masyadong nakapark. Dito mas maaga.
Yan ang weird.
Bye guys! Sarado yung pickle. Sobrang banaw namin eh. Ganda.
Ba, hindi mo na nanalo?
Hindi. Kahit isa. Kahit kay Jock.
Ate Joy, nanalo ba ako?
Okay, for the tennis court here sa Baguio, it's located sa Athletic Bowl. Nasa dulo siya ng Burnham. Meron siyang sariling parking. So, basement yung parking. Then, pay parking siya. Pero parang 50 pesos lang yung binayaran namin for almost parang 2.5 hours. We arrived there before 7. Fairly onti pa lang yung tao. And then, there are 3 courts. I think 1 court is used for training and then the other 2 open play. Actually, playing is free. So, you just have to go there. Tapos, dun sa parang registration desk, you just have to register your name. Tapos, pila na lang siya. When we arrived, may naglalaro pa. So, after them, kami naman na. There was no instructions or limits on how long parang you can play, pero siguro respect na lang din to other players. So kami, we played for an hour. So sakto kasi nag-training si Elo. So kami rin nag-play lang for an hour. And then yun, next na. So kami totally walang binayaran.